Abortion, legal or illegal? Now, why am I asking you this? On May 2nd, 2022, a US publication called Politico managed to leak a draft of the US Supreme Court opinion which may overturn the 40-year-old judgment of allowing women the right to choose to have an abortion. If the verdict is overturned, this basically means a woman would be forced to have a child, even though she cannot afford to give a life to someone at the very moment. To be clear, the leak was of a draft. The US Supreme Court verdict is said to be out by June end or probably early July. According to the report published by Politico, the draft carried nod of 5 justices out of the 9 US Supreme Court justices, which indicate that the court is in a favor to ban abortions across the country. According to CBS News survey, out of the Americans questioned, 62% of the Americans wanted the right to abortion verdict to be in place, but only 38% of them wanted it scrapped. Now you must be hearing this term called Roe versus Wade. What is it all about? Why is this term getting connected to right to abortion's protest? This was a landmark judgment which was delivered in 1973 which granted abortion rights to women. Now who was Roe and who was Wade? Jane Roe, a synonym given to Norma McCorvey, a 22-year-old unmarried, unemployed, pregnant woman. She was pregnant with a third child in 1969 when she sought to have an abortion in Texas. However, till the time the US Supreme Court could even deliver the verdict, she had already given birth to a girl child which she had to put up for adoption because she couldn't afford to give a life to her. Now who was Wade? Henry Wade was the district attorney of Dallas County, Texas. It was his job to enforce the state law prohibiting abortion across the country. So basically, Roe or McCorvey had sued Wade to sort an abortion. Roe, however, won the matter with court ruled 7-2 majority and granted women abortion rights. And the law was termed unconstitutional. Now, what will happen if Roe versus Wade has been overturned in America? Abortion will not immediately become illegal. However, the ruling can restrict access to many of the women seeking abortion. The individual states can decide whether they want to impose the ban in the state or not. But there are some states which have already begun imposing the provisions of the draft. Thousands of women have come on the street to fight for their rights, to fight for the basic rights. Now, what happens next remains to be seen.